Hey everyone, quick question before we dive in. Do you think Amazon can really block every third-party app on Fire Stick once and for all? Well, starting October 31st, 2025, Amazon has kicked off a global crackdown that's changing the game for Fire TV users. Here's what's going on. Amazon has teamed up with the Alliance for Creativity and Entertainment, or ACE, a major coalition of Hollywood studios and media companies, to target apps that stream pirated movies, sports, and live TV. Under these new rules, Amazon now reserves the right to block or remove certain apps if they appear on ACE's piracy list. When your Fire Stick detects one of these flagged apps, you'll first see a warning message saying the app isn't permitted. After a short time, that app will simply stop working, no matter what you do. So if your favorite free streaming app is still running today, that doesn't mean you're safe. It probably just hasn't made the list yet. The rollout started in Europe, hitting France and Germany first, and now it's expanding to the UK, the US, and other regions around the world. Even apps downloaded from Amazon's own app store aren't guaranteed protection. If ACE flags them later, Amazon can still shut them down remotely. This move also fits with their newer Fire TV models, like the Fire TV Stick 4K Select, which completely blocks sideloading from the start. Now, you might be wondering, can a VPN get around this? The answer is no. This isn't your internet provider blocking access to a website, it's your Fire TV itself refusing to launch the app. So, even if you change your location or use a VPN, the block will still stand. The good news, official apps like Prime Video, Netflix and Disney Plus won't be affected, and yes, you can still sideload non-piracy apps. Amazon hasn't killed that feature completely, but this crackdown clearly signals a move toward a more locked-down Fire TV experience. So, what do you think? Will Amazon's crackdown actually stop third-party apps, or will developers just come up with new ones under different names? Like they always do. Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you've already seen the app not permitted message on your Fire Stick, tell me which app got hit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned.